a lot of discomfort among parents.
I am a great believer in listening to the people. People don't just complain without a reason. We came up with this financing model. It was brought by Minister Gachagua before Cabinet Committee. It went to Cabinet. We looked at it and we agreed it's a good model. But Kenyans think differently. And at the end of it all, Sam, we must listen to the people. Because all these things we do are for the benefit of the people. If the people we are trying to help feel so bad about something, you cannot insist on it. And that's why I'm happy that the president has appointed a committee to review, and reconsider what people are saying. Again, we need to listen to the students, we need to listen to the parents, we need to listen to the vice chancellors, we need to listen to the lecturers. It's about the people. And I am in agreement 100% that where people raise issues, we have a responsibility as an administration to accord them a hearing, because we are not rulers.
So we are leaders. Why is it that the listening is always after the fact?
Well, you do things that are well-intentioned. Sometimes you come up with a program and you mean well and you think you have done the right thing. And when it goes to the beneficiaries, they think differently. It does not mean that you had bad intentions. What it means is that nobody knows everything. The people of Kenya have every right to correct the government. If they think the government has not come up with a good model, we have a responsibility as an administration to listen to the people. And I think I want to, applaud the president for agreeing that we need a committee to listen to what people are saying, and we take their views, and probably and hopefully they'll help us to make a more informed decision.
Do you find anything wrong with that? Because if you look at the committees that have been formed, in total more than 100 people, yet the cabinet has 22 cabinet secretaries, if you to include yourself and the president and the attorney general and the secretary to the cabinet, that's 26 people. Now the committees are more than those, yet you're the policy making organ, you make decisions or you endorse decisions that eventually go afoul against the people, and they have now to use taxpayers' money to correct those mistakes. What's going on?
Well, mistakes have happened. We have to correct them. If the decision we made as cabinet has not gotten favor with the people of Kenya, the same cabinet cannot review that decision. I think what the president has done is the right thing. Give some other minds the benefit to interrogate what the cabinet did against what the people of Kenya are saying, and advise the government on the best way of going about it.